Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Wrangler oil. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter remover, and a suitable drain pan. Next, make sure you have 6 quarts of fresh 5W20 or 5W30 synthetic oil and a new oil filter ready. Before you begin, run your engine for a few minutes. This warms the oil, allowing it to drain more thoroughly and efficiently. Now, let's get that old oil out. You'll need to locate the oil drain plug, which is typically found on the oil pan underneath your Jeep Wrangler. Position your drain pan directly beneath the plug to ensure it catches all the used oil. Then, carefully remove the drain plug and let the old oil drain completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, so be patient and let it all flow out. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. First, use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it about 3/4 of a turn more. Finally, reinsert the drain plug and tighten it securely, but avoid over-tightening. Now for the fresh oil, carefully pour the recommended 6 quarts of new engine oil into the fill port. Once added, replace the oil cap. Start your engine briefly, then turn it off and wait a few minutes. Check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary to reach the full mark. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book about money, plus other deals. Dispose of your old oil responsibly at a local recycling center.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.